Alright, moral of the story, I bought the wrong spoiler because I don't understand Japanese. And this shit is not going on, man. This bitch isn't even close. Fuck. Man, you're a fucking idiot. Man, this gump, I'm not scratching this too. Because I want to sit like this, right? Okay, brainstorm, Adam. What did Kamosen teach you?
Fuck all.
Nothing. I think you might be right.
Do you have self-tappers? No. Just to hold it in?
Just self-tappers here.
What are you going to use?
This is FPS spec. Draw once. Draw twice. Cut once. Okay, so you figure if we circ a bit of this. You figure if we circ that. This is just fucked, man.
I think it would work, to be honest.
If we circ that, but if we circ it, we can't uncirc it.
Yeah. Well, it's not going to go on like that.
What if I keep going like this? Okay, it needs to come forward like. This isn't just the biggest bitch, man. Mother of fuck. I hate this. I hate my life. Like, what the fuck? How was this held up before? Make me mad, man. Just make me real mad. So fucked. Like, how is this connected?
I don't know, shit's fucked.
There's no bolts on it.
If only you bought the right one, eh?
Shut the fuck up, bitch. There it mounts nicely, but it looks fucked. Does it look fucked though? No? Take a side view. Where's this up here?
Wait, go down again? I don't know what to tell you, man.
Which one?
I think it looks fucked either way, to be honest.
Does it look fucked up here?
Yeah.
Well, just because it fit, right? But if it fit well, it would look decent up here.
Man, just pull the back piece off.
This whole
spray
thing?
foam this entire thing out further.
Spray foam.
Screw this into the spray foam and lay fiberglass over top onto the scooter body.
I think you're forgetting that I only do FEA spec stuff.
No one's gonna be able to tell. It's gonna be fiberglass. Are you actually gonna do it?
No, we'll just take a look at it like that. Maybe though. It's not overly fucked. This is bumming me out, man.
Well, it's looking real fucking sick, man.
Looks like when. What is that Rocket Bunny kit where they take where there's really no bumper?
Yeah, it's the.
It looks so bad.
S chassis Rocket Bunny kit. That's the King kit.
Still fucked, eh?
Okay, well, fucking give up. Do the grips and the mirrors, man.
Yeah, but I need your professional opinion if you think I should cut the whole front. Okay, look at this. Cut right down here. Get rid of the signals. And fiberglass. Or I'd do it at an angle. Like fiberglass over that. Was that kind of dicked?
What do you think?
Seems a bit like it would be a bit fucked.
Fuck, man.
Gonna try to put these grips on. Probably won't work out because seems to be the theme here. Fuck's sake. I don't know how to take grips off. These bitches feel like they're fucking on there. Oh, actually I might be able to pull. Okay. I think I can pull it off though.
Did you see the comment of the guy that said we should make a video of ref scene?
Oh, that's too depressing.
I think we should.
Yeah, but all the guys in their fucking Hyundai Velocitors, they roll.
No, remember that idea I told you about where we go there with like a microphone and we interview people and just shit talk like whatever it is?
I'm down actually.
It'd be so funny.
Like a Brody TV interview. Yeah. I'm actually down. That's so fun. That's a good call, Noah. Oh fuck, I'm not here tomorrow. Am I here the next Friday? No.
Why? Where are you gonna be?
Wait. This Friday? What day is this Friday, Hannah?
12th? No, 13th. Friday the 13th? I'm not going to work.
Friday the 13th? Dude, you're gonna daunt it.
Okay, never mind.
Okay, 14 plus 7. Hannah? 21. Fuck, the Kamosen skills pull through again. Eh? Okay, 14 plus 21. 14, wait, what the fuck? Okay, 21st, so I'll be here. Okay, we'll go next Friday.
Okay.
That'll be a funny video. Alright, this grip's coming off, man. Oh, motherfucker. 1991. What happened in 1991? It's like Pamela Anderson something.
What? What are you talking about?
That's the only name that comes to mind. Alright, this bitch is coming off now. Motherfucker. Ooh. Smells kind of bad.
Okay, put the new one on, man.
Which one's the... Okay, the throttle one's bigger.
Yeah. So how hard
this one's smaller. Okay. She's greased, eh? Oh, that's going on real nice. This install might work out. Oh. This looks way too long. Mother trucker, dude. It's fucking stiff. I feel like we should have lubed this.
It's alright.
Fuck! Oh, you mother bitch. Oh, we got a decent amount of fucking...
Does it have to be circumcised?
I think we'll just crunch it on. Oh, that's looking real nice, man. I like that. That's a good ass mod. Ooh.
How's it feel?
She's a bit long. Oh, fuck. Oh, it's getting there. If I just keep...
So these are actually the right ones, you think?
Well, I mean, it's on there. Look at that. Kind of looks like fuck, doesn't it? Well,
better than before.
It's the wrong color purple, man.
Dude, who the fuck cares, man?
I care.
Cut it down long-wise.
I'm gonna go for the end first. Oof, this feels dangerous. First incision. I feel like Dr. Phil or whatever. Okay, just shave a little off the top. I just don't want to cut through the throttle thing. Dude, why am I good at this? I should be a butcher.
Jesus Christ, man.
What a maneuver.
Can you just take it off now?
No, Noah. Yeah, I can. Sick. Alright, I think this one going? Probably not.
100%, no doubt. Where's the WD-40?
Yeah, but then it's going to be spinning on there. Because then it's going to be lubed when it's on.
It'll dry up.
I guess WD-40 evaporates pretty quick. Ooh!
Move your arm.
That was real nice. Okay, if that doesn't evaporate. Oh, this is gonna make the throttle stick, man. No, it can't be too close to
Dude,
it.
sticky throttle, that'd be sick. You just full juice and it just goes like that.
Dude, hell yeah. Okay.
That's the end of the video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.
Aren't we gonna glue a mirror
I'm
in?
just fucking around.
Or should we paint it first?
Okay, fuck. Just check back in when it's done. I don't know.
No, it's done now.
Yeah, you have to tape this still.
Yeah, it's gonna take 2 seconds, man. This whole setup's too doink.
Man, you fucking move so much too fast for the film.
Yeah, because I have to fucking move.
Jesus fuck. What?
It's probably gonna be like this. We're gonna have to glue it in because I bought the wrong fucking size.
Of course.
God damn it. Scuffing this bitch because we don't do things by halves here. Alright, kind of over it.
I think that's good enough.
Yeah, that's pretty much.
Okay, just bring it outside, it's painted. Alright,
we're out here in the booth. We got the wind direction going. Gonna lay it. Oh, that looks so bad, man. Let's do some thin coats here.
It's looking real nice, man.
Looks like fuck. Okay, we'll dry it for the next coat. I already got dizzy just in 2 spins there. That wasn't good. Alright, so we're actually using primer because we don't have any white paint.
Let's see.
So that's a bit fucked. But I mean, it's coming together, kind of. Looks pretty bad, but it's alright. As does everything we do. We'll choose a couple more of these on and then glue it in because it's the wrong thread pitch. Nice. Well, it's looking real nice. Oh wait, let's just JB weld this thing on. Okay, we're gonna have to JB weld this bitch in because it's the wrong fucking thread bitch. Of course. That's really nice. Oh, that's not gonna work, is it now? Quit being a skank and get over here.
Dude, my fucking legs are tired.
Can you even see this?
Yeah. I'll punch in on it. Watch.
Oh, just fucking...
I'll do it in the edit.
Okay,
Ready?
just roll over here. Just roll over here.
2, 1. Alright, it's close up.
Fucking... suck.
The magic of editing, man. I don't even have to move.
Alright.
Oh yeah, it's real close right now.
I'm a chemistry master here.
I can 100% see everything you're doing from this far away.
No, if it's not, I'm gonna actually.
No, dude, I'll punch in times 5,000. Don't worry.
Okay, this ratio looks fairly off.
Should I punch in again on that? Here, hang on.
No, you should just come over here.
Oh, I just punched in. Don't worry.
Oh, you bitch. Kind of a master at the JB Weld when it comes down to it.
Man, you know what we should have just done for the wing? Bought like a really long rectangular piece of styrofoam. Just cut out the shape we wanted and lay fiberglass over top of it.
Okay, we're not going to talk about what we could have done.
Would have been half the price.
Would have been less than half the price.
Would have been 20 bucks, man.
I hate to say it, but that's looking real nice. Alright, this bitch is taking forever to dry.
Some JB Weld action.
JB Weld. I think because the ratio's off. I don't know why, but the black stuff was coming out way more than the brown stuff, which is just unfortunate. So yeah, we'll wait for this to dry, and then I'll put it in.
Well, let's see it.
We gotta scrape this paint off.
True.
But yeah.
Looks pretty good though.
It's a pretty shit paint job, but like.
Dude, white wheels and then white mirrors.
Oh yeah, what do you guys think? Purple mirrors and purple wheels, or white wheels? Okay, so we're keeping the purple everywhere where it is right now, and the black. But do we want, and this is gonna go to silver. So do we do white mirror and white wheels, or purple mirror and purple wheels?
I'm thinking white.
Comment below.
If they don't comment white, I'll delete the channel. Again, we'll see you for another month.
Just disappear for a month again. We'll
put in some footage of the mirroring when it's done.
When it's dry.
Is that the game plan?
Yeah.
Okay, well, right on.
Yeah, and then next video, we're gonna fucking figure out the spoiler.
Jesus.
We're gonna do it. It's gonna be doink. Monday or Tuesday, and then that Friday, we'll go to Rev Scene and make fun of the 40-year-old guys with velocitors that think they're sick. In Genesis.
Okay, right on.
Yeah. Like, share, subscribe. Show your friends. I'm not skidoing it this time, I guess.
Yeah, honestly, fuck the skidoo.
You can
man.
blame. People live for the skidoo, man.
What?
People live for the skidoo.
I don't know if they do.
Okay.
Like, I'm betting if we made a skidoo vinyl, nobody would buy it.
Alright guys, it's a lot later. This epoxy's kind of dry. It was kind of fucked drying it because it was goddamn hotter than Ellen today. But yeah, we'll try to throw the mirror on. It might break off. Just have to epoxy it again. It's alright. Didn't even come out white. It came out like fucking cream. Hope this doesn't break off immediately. You motherfucker. Oh, there we go. Oh, it did break off immediately. Alright, well, sick. Fucking word, dude. Shit. Fuck. Bitch. God damn it. Alright, well, we'll fucking have to sort that shit out. We'll sort this shit out in another video. This video is kind of shit, but we're also just figuring out what we're gonna do for the wing. But yeah, this bitch has to be done in 11 days for the Japanese show and shine, so big content's coming for it, buddy. Alright? Fucking stay tuned, okay? Fuck. Alright guys, I'm back. Adam here, your favorite moist boy. Fuck, attempt number too damn many. Look at how much shit I put on this. God damn it, looks like fuck. Yeah, we're on the iPhone again. Noah's not here, he's hanging out with Kyle. Fucker. They hook up these IV bags of Monster Energy Ultra and just fucking give her on MX versus ATV. Anyway though, she should be Yankee Doodled fully on there for cigarette sake, so I'm gonna try to snoodle this on and we'll see how she looks. Come on, you motherfucker. Oh, look at the thread, man. Look at the action. Oh, it's making me dizzy, man. Oh, she's going, man. Oh, it's real nice. Oh. Uh-oh. Okay, we still gotta scratch all this shit off, but it's for a later date. Alright. Made her. It's fucking on there. I don't know how I feel about the white. Again, comment below. White mirror and white wheels, or purple wheels and purple mirror. We'll leave that up to you guys. Oh, what the fuck's with the exposure on this bitch? Come on, Steve Jobs. Let's get it going here. I mean, it looks kind of sick. This camera's fucked though. God damn it, Noah. Hanging out with Kyle. I mean, looks kind of dank. Hangulation is a bit cattywampus, but we'll have to fix that later. Fuck's sake. Well, right on. Fucking mod, man. Yeah, again, this video is pretty shit. Fucking stay tuned, because they're gonna get better, hopefully. Probably not. Because we got hella shit we gotta do on this. Has to be ready in like 10 days. Fuck. Oh, it's marshmallow color, man. God damn it. But yeah, so we're gonna put the spoiler on. I want to get rid of this blue. It's fucking blue neochrome. Or blue fucking anodization. It's banned, man. Put the wanky doodle on. Give her a little chooch of paint. Build the fucking thing. And then I'm thinking of cutting these signals off, like literally just cutting across here. Let me know what you think of that. Build a little fiberglass cover on the side, because this thing just looks like a fucking alienoid here. Cyclops ass looking bitch. Fuck. Alright, well yeah. Comment, like, subscribe. Buy a t-shirt, so... Actually, you don't have to buy a t-shirt, never mind. If you want to, though, that'd be sick. Alright.